How much does it really cost to improve your house? The living room sets the tone of the whole house. Remodeling one costs you around $15,000. The biggest expense is the flooring, adding the light, fresh paint, and adding some storage. The numbers adds up fast. Now, the kitchen is where things get pricey. Expect around $80,000. Mostly the cost is for custom cabinet, countertop, appliances, electrical, and plumbing. It's the most expensive room in the house. Bathrooms cost around $40,000. Waterproofing and tiling is the budget, followed by plumbing, electrical, and vanities. If you have two, double the budget. Even the closets are not cheap, around $10,000. The cost depends on the sizes and the built-ins. Multiply that on however many you have. Bedroom, it costs around $20,000. The main cost driver is the flooring and the lighting.